It most certainly is a blockchain-based independent computerized money that places coin holders responsible for molding what's to come. However, what basically is DECRED, or so they thought. We should find out what we can especially learn about this coin, and furthermore analyze a portion of the DECRED cost expectations that in every practical sense were being made starting around the 21st of December 2022 as well. DECRED made sense of. DECRED works in the style of a decentralized independent association, where it is offering financial backers the chance to oversee and fundamentally decide the fate of its environment essentially. DECRED is building a safe, private, and versatile blockchain to meet this objective. It even has own decentralized depository rewards partners and adds to its main goal of monetary sway. Its significant development is a cross-breed confirmation of work and verification of stake mining agreement instrument to ensure that no for the most part single element or individual controls the progression of exchanges or makes changes to DECRED without the local area's endorsement. DCR is the blockchain's local coin, which fills in for the purpose of trade and is utilized for both administration and marking. Holders of the DECRED coin lay out and really implement the blockchain's guidelines, decide the course for future turn of events, and by and large dispense assets from the task's depository. Changes to the framework are decided on and carried out provided that supported by electors. The task has focused on decentralization inside its administration. Its democratic framework guarantees that huge establishments can't unreasonably impact a vote, and all DCR holders basically are dealt with similarly. DECRED cost history. We should investigate the DCR cost history. While sort of past execution ought to never be taken as a sign of future outcomes, knowing how the coin has acted in the past can give us some extremely helpful setting if we for the most part have any desire to one or the other make or decipher a DECRED cost expectation. DCR went basically live on the 10th of February 2016 with an initial cost of somewhat more than 95 cents and in every practical sense changed around that level until the end of the year. DECRED saw its most memorable significant convention in 2018 when it soared to a kind of high of $126.81 on the 9th of January. However, at that point fell down to an extremely low of $40.66 on the 5th of April. After this, it figured out how to climb much higher and arrive at an everyday high of $139.94 on the 25th of April, before it again fell down to earth, arriving at a low of $14.21 on the 13th of December. Be that as it may, its most huge breakout to date occurred in the main quarter of 2021 in a significant manner. As the crypto market blast, another product update was declared in February, which further developed casting a ballot and administration openness. The next month, a decision in favor of the most part was put to its local area to decentralize DECRED's depository. The DECRED coin news uncovered this had given the 12th of April, and DCR flooded to its unsurpassed exceptionally high of $250.02 5 days after the fact. DCR couldn't hold this cost and plummeted the next month. This reflected an in every practical sense more extensive pattern in the crypto market when Elon Musk tweeted about ending Bitcoin installments for Tesla vehicles in an unpretentious way. Additionally, during a similar time, the Chinese government reinforced its digital money crackdown, or so they thought, in spite of a slight convention in August after it was recorded on the Bitcoin trade. The DCR coin kept falling all through the remainder of 2021. It shut the year at $69.90. The negative pattern stayed with DCR going into 2022, when a progression of market slumps saw it sink to a low of $19.98 on the 18th of June prior to making of a recuperation to $63.80 on the 5th of August. From that point forward, the time had come to return down, and following the breakdown of the FTX trade, it tumbled to $18.43 on the 21st of November. In the month from that point forward, it encountered some promising and less promising times, and on the 21st of December 2022, it was truly worth just shy of $20. Around then, there were 14,598,308 DCR available for use out of a greatest stockpile of 21 million. This gave the coin a market cap of about $289 making it the 87th biggest crypto by that measurement. DECRED cost expectation gathered together. But that completely far removed, we should now investigate a portion of the DECRED cost expectations that were being made starting around the 21st of December 2022. It is critical to recall that cost figures, particularly when they concern a product as possibly unstable as crypto, turn out to be off base as a general rule. Likewise, it merits bringing up that many sort of long-haul crypto value forecasts are made utilizing a calculation, which truly implies that they can change immediately. To begin with, had it to some degree blended present moment DECRED coin cost forecast, saying it could hit $20.29 by the 26th of December prior to tumbling to $19.10 by the 20th of January 2023, which is very huge. The site's specialized investigation most certainly was negative, with 20 pointers conveying downbeat signals against only 9 making bullish ones. In the meantime, had a DCR cost expectation which said that the coin could close 2023 at somewhere close to $15.20 and $15.21, prior to proceeding to make a DECRED cost forecast for 2025 which saw it start the year at $27.01 and ended at $34.11. Then, had a quite negative DECRED cost expectation for 2023, saying that it expected the by and large bears to dominate and for the coin to for the most part lose a ton of its ongoing worth throughout the span of the impending year, with it dropping to somewhere in the range of $2.45 and $2.46 by the 21st of December kind of the following year incredibly. At last, made a DECRED crypto cost expectation which saw it exchange at a potential $23.43 this prior year, proceeding to make a DECRED cost expectation for 2025 of $88.23 incredibly. The site figured DCR could get through the dollar hindrance in 2027 and accomplish a fundamentally normal of $282.05 in 2030. While considering a DCR coin cost expectation, it's vital to basically remember that digital money markets remain very unpredictable, making it challenging to precisely foresee what a coin or token's cost will be in a couple of hours, and, surprisingly, harder to give long-haul gauges. Thusly, investigators and calculation-based forecasters can and do misunderstand their expectations. Assuming you are thinking about putting resources into digital money tokens, we suggest that you generally do your own examination. Take a gander at the most recent market patterns, news, specialized and crucial examination, and well-qualified assessment prior to pursuing any venture choice. Remember that very past exhibition is no assurance of future returns. What's more, never exchange with cash that you can't generally stand to lose explicitly. In unpredictable digital currency markets, it is essential to do your own examination on a coin or token to decide whether it is a decent, for the most part, fit for really your speculation portfolio. Whether the DCR token is a reasonable venture for you relies upon your gamble resilience and the amount you mean to contribute, among different elements. Remember that previous exhibition is no assurance of future returns. Also, never put away cash that you can't basically bear to lose. Nobody can truly tell at the present time, in spite of the fact that locales like are hopeful. In every practical sense, preferences are undeniably more negative in their evaluation of a DECRED future cost. Recall that cost expectations all the time end up being incorrectly, and that costs can, and do, go down as well as up. In unstable digital currency markets, it is vital to do your sort of own examination on a coin or token to decide whether it is ideal for your speculation portfolio. Whether DCR is a reasonable speculation for you relies upon your gamble resistance and the amount you mean to contribute, among different elements. Remember that previous exhibition is no assurance of future returns in a significant manner. Also, never put away cash that you can't sort of bear to lose. DECRED is an independent digital currency that is placing its heading in the possession of its coin holders. DCR financial backers can have impact over various choices, including depository spending and agreement rules. Whether you want to basically put resources into DCR is an inquiry